If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer. If you reach into your sorrow, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. Yeah. And then the hero comes along when the turns to carry on. Here's a sign, and you know you can survive. It's gone. Look inside and be strong, and you finally see the truth.